If you are a fresher or just stepped out of college, you are probably stuck in this loop. Should I go for a big MNC with job security or take a risk with a startup for faster growth? One side offers free snacks and a corporate badge, and other promises speed, variety, and real ownership. And everyone on LinkedIn seems to have a different opinion. So, in today's video, let's put the hype aside and talk about the real difference between startup jobs and MNCs. This might clear your head. In a startup, things move fast. You learn by doing, and you often do a bit of everything. One day you are fixing bugs, the another day you are designing a UI or talking to a client, which means more exposure and variety. In MNC, there is a clear process. You get training, work in a fixed role, and follow a structured timeline. You might not get to explore much at first, but you go deep into your assigned work. Startups are great for people who like quick learning and multitasking. MNCs suit those who like to master one skill at a time. And the culture-wise, startups usually have a fast-paced and dynamic environment, where teams are small, roles are flexible, and decisions are made quickly. You may find fewer formal processes and more direct collaboration. On the other hand, MNCs offer structured process, clear hierarchies, and established protocols. If you prefer defined roles and systems, MNCs might feel more stable and organized. Both offer different kinds of learning. Choose based on what suits your working style. And career-wise, startups can provide faster learning opportunities and allow you to wear multiple hats early on, which helps build a versatile skill set. You may get the chance to take ownership of projects and grow alongside the company. MNCs, on the other hand, offer a clear career path with well-defined roles, structured training programs, and promotion cycles. If you prefer long-term stability and growth within a defined system, MNCs can be the great choice. So, both offer valuable experiences. It depends on what you choose. Coming to salary and perks, MNCs usually offer better pay and perks, health insurance, travel allowances, food cards, and bonuses. Startups may offer lower salaries but more flexible work and maybe equity in the company. It's a trade-off between financial comfort and personal freedom. Next, brand versus skills. Working at a big company like Google or TCS adds brand value to your resume. It shows you cleared tough rounds and worked in a corporate environment. But startups give you real, hands-on experience, even if no one knows the company name. If you have built something real, that experience speaks louder. Recruiters today look beyond the company name. They want to know what you have done, whether you are from a startup or an MNC. If you can explain your work clearly and show your impact, you will stand out. At the end of the day, there is no best choice. Want to learn fast, take risks, and wear many hats? Go for a startup. Want stability, structured growth, and strong brand value? Try an MNC. And remember, your first job is just the beginning. You can always switch later and find your perfect fit. Startups or MNCs, don't choose based on reels. Choose based on reality. Think about your goals, personality, and what you want to learn right now. And whatever you choose, give it your 100%. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more tech careers.